Transportation of substance. We know that all living organisms require food, oxygen, water, and other substances for their survival. In this chapter, transportation of substance, we shall study how all these materials are transported to the various parts of the body. Circulatory system in humans. Circulatory system means a transport system which consists a network that supplies food, water, oxygen and other substances throughout the body part. The circulatory system consists of the heart, the blood and the blood vessels. So we study in the detail about the blood. Blood is the red colored fluid that flows in our body. It carries oxygen and digested food to various parts of our body and also carries waste material for removal from the body. Now blood is made of two parts, plasma and cell. In the cell, there are three types of cells present in the blood. That is your red blood cells, white blood cells and platelets. So what is plasma? Plasma is a yellow or grey yellow fluid portion of the blood in which the blood cells are suspended. It contains dissolved gases, nutrient, waste material, salts and proteins. Cells. Red blood cell. Red blood cells are bioconcave disc filled with hemoglobin. Hemoglobin combines with oxygen from the lungs to be transported to the body tissue. Hemoglobin gives a red color to the blood. It also plays a key role in transporting waste carbon dioxide from the tissue to the lungs, where it can be breathed out. Lack of red blood cell or lack of hemoglobin causes anemia. White blood cells. White blood cells provide immunity to the body against disease and infection. They are far less in number than red blood cell, but their number usually increases in response to infection. Platelets. What happens if someone gets a cut and starts to bleed? After some time, it stops. The bleeding stops and the cuts gets covered with a dark red clot. This is due to the presence of a type of blood cells that is known as platelets. Platelets are small, colorless, cell-like structure. Together with the damaged tissue, they release substances that cause the formation of a mesh-like structure that traps the blood cell.